Fed testimony and CPI data ahead. Today, we'll cover Nifty's early fluctuations due to technical conditions and profit-taking. Nifty wavers in early action. Sentiments are primarily penalized by technical overbought conditions and profit-taking in large-cap stocks. Focus now turns to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's testimony on Tuesday, 9 July 2024. All anxious eyes will also be on the US CPI data, 11th July, which could significantly impact Nifty's performance. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests permables will be hoping and looking for signs of weaker US growth and cooling inflation that would allow the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates later this year. Friday's US jobs data points to a cooling but not collapsing economy. Softer June jobs report raises rate cut bets. There is a bright chance that the Federal Reserve succeeds in bringing inflation to heel without crashing the economy. Long story short, the Fed rate cuts are not far off. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 61 crores while DIIs were net sellers to tune of Rs 2867 crores. Sentiments for the day is bit risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,700 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has spiked towards 13.60 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.46 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.20. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4321. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,157 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,500 mark. Range for the day is between 24,250 and 24,450. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 426. Interweek support is placed at 52,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,100 mark. Range for the day is between 52,105 to 900. Bias for the day is neutral. There will be a lot of news to influence traders in the near term. TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starters pistol for corporate India's Q1 earnings season, followed by HCL Technologies, 12th July. Avenue Supermarts, 13th July. India's CPI and IIP data will trickle in on 12th July. India's retail inflation eased to a 12-month low of 4.75% in May 2024. We will, however, spy with one big eye if the food inflation slips below 8.69%. Countdown to Union Budget begins as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget in the Lok Sabha on 23 July at 11 a.m.